The most successful value investor of all time is dubbed the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Most people know him best as one of the most successful investors in the world. What are his success's secrets then? Hello, gents. Welcome to a new video. We walk you through the life of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a self-made man. Nevertheless, he was from a fairly privileged upbringing. His father started out as a broker before rising to the position of congressman in the United States. This made it possible for Buffett to enroll at esteemed institutions like Columbia University. He did establish his own business and carry out his own investments, which ultimately contributed to his enormous wealth. You might be surprised by a day in the life of this affluent billionaire, though. Buffett still resides in Nebraska, where he was born and raised. He paid $30,000 for his house in 1958, and he still resides there. The investor reads and sleeps a lot to increase his net worth to more than $100 billion. Warren Buffett is renowned for his prudent spending practices as well. He claims to have a diet similar to that of a 6-year-old and enjoys eating at McDonald's and drinking Coca-Cola. It is obvious that the man does not lead the lifestyle that other billionaires in society do, and instead favors a laid-back way of life. Let's take a quick look at Warren Buffett's early life. Warren Buffett was born in Omaha in 1930. At a young age, he became interested in business and began making stock market investments. He invested for the first time at the tender age of 11. He began working for himself as a newsboy at the age of 13 by selling horse race tip sheets. When he was an adult, he established his own business and started making money by investing in businesses that he believed were undervalued. Buffett started his education at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School before going back to the University of Nebraska to complete his bachelor's degree in business administration. Later, Buffett attended Columbia Business School and graduated with a degree in economics. Early in the 1950s, Buffett began working as a salesman of investments. In 1956, he established Buffett Associates. In 1965, less than 10 years later, he took over as CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett practices value investing in accordance with Benjamin Graham. On the basis of their intrinsic value, value investors seek out securities with unreasonably low prices. Although there is no accepted method for figuring out intrinsic value, it is typically estimated by looking at a company's fundamentals. The value investor, like bargain hunters, searches for stocks that are thought to be undervalued by the market or for stocks that are valuable but are overlooked by most other buyers. Buffett elevates this value investing strategy to a new level. Many value investors reject the idea of an efficient market. According to this theory, stocks always trade at their fair value, which makes it more challenging for investors to purchase undervalued stocks or to sell them for a profit. They believe that quality stocks that were temporarily undervalued will eventually be favored by the market. However, Buffett is unconcerned with the intricate relationships between supply and demand in the stock market. He actually has no interest in the stock market's activities at all. This is what Benjamin Graham's famous paraphrase, "In the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it is a weighing machine," implies. He evaluates each business holistically, so he selects stocks based only on the potential of the business as a whole. Buffett invests in these stocks over the long term, not for capital gains, but rather for ownership in reputable businesses that are exceptionally good at producing income. Buffett doesn't care whether the market will eventually take an interest in a company when he invests in it. He is interested in the business viability of that organization. Which brings us to the end of the video. Did you guys know that Warren Buffett plans to donate his entire fortune to charity? Tell us in the comments what you would do with $100 billion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Till another video.